Part E.3 Add New Category. This part quite similar to E.2. We just make similar modifications several places. All right. Let us do this add database query for new category. But the first thing is we need to add a query. We need to add a table for the category. Table, because at this point we do not have that table. So the first thing for this feature, we need to define our table. So this is the statement. Create table category. The name, we call it category. So then we have a primary key CID, and we make this CID number auto increment. Auto increment. So you understand the meaning, right? So that means when we insert a new category, we do not need to set this value. So we can use the auto increment number as the CID number. All right, so for other part, number of characters, maximum 2,000 characters. Here you can set some number so that you feel big enough. Up to this many characters. All right, so after that, so then, we just run this SQL command in that SQL tab area, so we can get this table created. The first step. After that, then let us create this category DL.Java class. So when we create this class, we need to have a prepared statement object, so we can use it to define our query. So this is the definition of the query. For this insert statement, you can see pretty straightforward. Here you can see we can easily modify it from our problem insert statement. We just change the table from problem to category. From content to title. All right. Then the query method, add category. Next, process data to add a new category. For this one, we need to create a new servlet. So for this servlet, we call it add category servlet.java. Because when we add new data, we like to use the post method. All right, so the URL pattern, we just use add cat. Then this is the post method. You can see quite similar to the version for the add problem method, right? So we just change, for example, DL class, we make the change. And here the parameter variable, we make change, right? Here, so quite similar, So we have this processing part, After that, we need to go to the list.jsp to add the GUI component part. So for the GUI component, we add another form. So this is HTML form. So for the form, the action, our servlet URL pattern, add cat. So the remaining part, we use a table, because for the category, add part, we use one row in our current layout. For that one row, we need to arrange input field to enter new category. So then a button to submit the data. Later, we need to leave some space because we want to display questions under selected category. So we need to leave some space for the category drop-down list. So we leave that, we have enough space. So we leave some space for that feature later. So after that, so we pretty much ready to work on this feature. So let me just go to the project and let us work on it. Using the instruction file I posted, project to E3 instruct.txt. Everything there. We just copy, paste, so we can do faster coding. All right, so let's go there. All right. Let me, here, that's my old version. So I test it, and fix all the possible problems. So now let us use another version to, but the first thing, remember, the first thing we need to create that table, right? We need to create that table. So this is the instruction file. So to create a new table, let us copy this query, this SQL statement, and go back to the SQL tab to run this statement. Go. All right. Now, not this one, sorry. This is a different database. Let's go here. This one. See, category table created, but it is empty. It is empty. We need to insert new category into this table. Then we will see the data there. So the next step, based on our, so category DAO Java class, we need to create this new class there. So let us go to the DAO package here, right here. New Java class. All right. Class name, category, DAO, finish. And in this one, so probably we need to copy something from the problem DAO, this connection object. We need it, right? So after that, then we need to have our query statement. So this prepare the statement object. All right. After that, let us fix the package. Import this, java.sql package. All right. After that, we need to get a constructor. Let's borrow it from problem DAO. This constructor. Copy, paste. But in this constructor, some of the queries we don't need. All right, so let's remove all the queries. All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We have to change the constructor name here. Yeah. Category. Yeah. Name correct. Yeah. Then the definition of the query statement, we get it here. Add a cat. This is the definition. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah. After that, the last step, we need to define the query method. Add category. Yeah. So that's just a few lines. Yeah. Pretty straightforward. Yeah. All right. So after that, yeah, let's see. Yeah. All right. So let's fix this. Yeah. Import this class. All right. After that, yeah, we may need to format it a little bit. All right. Yeah. Then we save it. So this class development is done. Okay. Yeah. Next, add a category servlet. Yeah. We need a new servlet. All right. So here, called add category servlet. Yeah. With the URL pattern add cat. Yeah. All right. So right click, new servlet, class name, add category servlet. All right. Next, select URL mapping, change it to lowercase add cat. All right. Okay. Yeah. And finish. Good. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Do get method. Actually, we don't need a do get method. All right. So we can remove it. Yeah. If you leave there, it is fine. All right. Yeah. Leave there, it is fine. Yeah. But here we have the do post method. Yeah. That's what we need. Yeah. All right. Let us update our do post method. All right. And fix all these classes to be imported. Yeah. Yeah. We need to choose right package, javax.servlet. All right. And the problem, our Java being, yeah, from util, java.util. Yeah. That's the list. Yeah. The problem from the beans, our own Java being. Other than that, we have everything we need. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah, good. So let us save this file. Yeah. Then the last step, we need to work on list.jsp. List.jsp. Yeah. Oh, here my Tomcat's still running. Let me just stop it. Yeah. Stop it. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So here, the GUI component, we add one div class row element. Yeah, so we put it here. Yeah. All right, so we have that in our instruction part. Yeah, here, this row part. All right, yeah. All right, so let me copy this GUI component. Yeah, yeah, put here. Yeah, all right. So you may like to, do the formatting a little bit. All right, yeah. Then we save it. All right, we save it. Okay, all right, yeah. Now, the last step. Yeah. We are ready to test it. Let us run it. Right click, run as server, only this project. All right, so new category. All right, yeah, new category. Yeah. Here, yeah, probably I may like to, yeah, because no space between them. Yeah, I may like to change a little bit. Yeah, make it look a little bit. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, yeah. Let me copy this link to an external web browser. Yeah, here, external. Yeah, let me start a new one. External web browser. Yeah, you can see some gap, right? When we use external, it looks slightly different. Yeah, there is some gap between these two components. Yeah, so that may not be very important. Let me create an algebra category. All right, add a category. Yeah, here because we do not display it, so we can only go to the database to check our category. You can see one item there, browse algebra 1, right? Yeah, it is added successfully. Yeah. All right, so that is this feature. Yeah, our E.3, this feature.